artistic bestie, welcome to DP Nails It. I am DP, and here I'm going to show you how to install the hair attachments that I am making, the ponytail attachments. Here I have my mannequin. This is Ivana. My Ivana. I have about 21 mannequins, so you're going to see different mannequins. They all have different names or different hair textures or different lengths, colors. But this one is Ivana, and I purposely brought her out because she had straighter hair and it was length too. The hair attachment that I'm going to show you, it fits all lengths of hair. It fits better a little bit more for shorter hair in a sense of because of the size of the net. Right now I'm doing medium size, I'm not doing large yet. But I wanted to show you that even with length, it will still fit. So let's get started. You're going to slick back the hair in any shape, way, design, purposeful that you feel that you want to do. You could do a side part, you can do a middle part. It don't even have to be slick, it just has to be tight around the base. Your little pony here, the little wrap, has to be tight around the base. That is most important. We're going to take our ponytail attachment. It has a comb. It has a strap. It has hair at the end of the strap. It has Velcro. And that's what will help attach to it. The netting is to help to attach the hair. And it's also made to help cover your natural hair. So what you're going to do is after you've slicked back your hair, you're going to put your hair in a ponytail. You can either put it in a ponytail, in a bun, or in a braid. So right now I'm going to demonstrate the ponytail. So as it's out in the ponytail, you have your base. You're going to take the comb. You're going to slide it completely vertically down in between the hair tie and the base of your head where your hair is at. You want it to snug right in between there. Take the comb and gently push it in. You want to feel that the comb is inside, nice and snug, but you don't want the comb to poke you. If it's poking you in your head, take it out and readjust it. It should not feel uncomfortable. With the comb in place, you're going to take the loose end and bring it down and cover it under your ponytail. You're then going to take the strap with the hair, go under as if you're continuing to wrap it with a ponytail in a ponytail fashion and attach it with the Velcro. You're then going to take the loose hair and you're going to spray it with either Got2b or something, of a hairspray fashion for hold, and you're going to wrap it around. For this demonstration, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to do the other two. However, the last demonstration, I will apply the hairspray. So for right now, for this purposes, I will use some water to give you a better understanding. You're going to wet it. You're going to take a brush it all the way through, and then you're going to take the hair along with the strap with some tension and wrap it all the way around close to the base of your head. You're going to wrap it around again, and this time you're going to cover the bottom part of the attachment. And if you see that it's not as slick and smooth, you just take your brush, smooth it out again. If you need to respray it. And then continue on completing the wrap. And after you've done the bottom base part, then you're going to go to the middle. You would take your hairspray, but for right now we're just demonstrating it with water. Spray your ends, brush your ends, And you're going to wrap it around the base area, close to the base area of your scalp. And you're going to keep wrapping and smoothing your ends onto the ponytail. It may not stick right now because, like I said, I'm just using water for the demonstration, or it may stick. You have your ponytail, you brush it out. Your hair is loose within the ponytail, but it's covered because it's wrapped around with the extension hair, and now you have an extended ponytail. I'm going to unwrap it and demonstrate if your hair was in a braid. So once again, you will ponytail your natural hair. Get it as tight as you can, but comfortable. You do not want it so tight that it will hurt your head. We don't want any headaches. We don't want any alopecia from you pulling your hair out. We want comfort. You would then braid, and this is any length. The longer the braid, the longer your hair is. Yes, you will need a bigger net, sized net for your ponytail. However, if you are okay with the length of your hair in comparison to the length of the extension of it being there, that's completely up to you as well. It's all about preference. So you will braid it. We're going to rubber band the end. And now, since your hair is not out and is more in a protective state of a braid, it's there. You're going to take the same procedure. You're going to take your hair attachment with your comb. You're going to take your comb in between the hair tie and the base of your head. Slide it comfortably in between, pushing it all the way down. That helps stability. That helps to hold the ponytail attachment in place. You're going to take the open end, bring it down, hold it while taking the strapped end with the hair, going under and completing it in a full circle as if you're wrapping it like a regular ponytail. Hence the term wrap around pony. The Velcro stays. You're then going to take your hairspray. I'm going to demonstrate it with water so that I can take it in and out to show these demonstrations for you. Because if not, it's going to stick and be sticky, which it was supposed to do, but I need it for more demonstrations to show you. And you take the same procedure you did with the hair out. With tension, you're going to wrap it around the base first. That adds security. Then you take it again and wrap it more so towards the bottom of the base to cover the mesh part of the Velcro. Wrap it there. And then you're going to rebrush at this point, respray if needed. Wrap it in the middle to completely cover both the ends. And then you're going to finalize the wrap towards the base for extra security. In either way of the bun, the ponytail, or the braided hair, if you need to, you can add extra bobby pins for security to tuck it in. If not, the comb and the tension of the wrap and the Velcro should be completely fine. You will then also spray your hairspray. Spray the ends down to make sure they don't come out. Make sure that they're secure. And you're going to take your brush and brush out your hair. As you see, it gives full coverage for the ponytail. The braid is inside. Okay. And for the third demonstration, I will show you if you place your hair in a bun. So we will leave it with the braid. You're going to twist it around. You can have it loose if you want to, but for right now, I would just keep it with the braid just because it's already braided. And you will take another hair tie and wrap it around and get it as flat as possible. You do want a little bit of bulk, and I will show you why. But in general, you want it as flat as possible. Once again, you're going to take your ponytail attachment. You're going to take the comb between the hair tie and the base of your head. You're going to stick it in securely. It's not poking your head. If it's poking your head, take it out, replace it. Take the end strap, bring it down. Take the strap with the hair on it, tuck it under, attach it to the Velcro, and you can hear it sticking to the Velcro, and push the ends all the way down to make sure that it sticks. Here I would demonstrate the got to be, since this is the last demonstration and it's okay for it to be sticky. You will take your hairspray. You would just lightly spray. You would brush it. Once again, with a little tension, you're going to wrap towards the base of your head. You're coming back around. And now you're going to wrap towards the end of the Velcro where the extension meets to cover that portion of the hair. Go back around. Going to slick it out. Add a little bit more product. with tension. All of this time you're holding it with tension, not too much to hurt, but enough to make it tight, and you're going to cover the middle part. You're going to take your ends and tie it more towards the base for extra security. Spray the ends and continue to wrap and smooth. Wrap and smooth. That's all you're thinking about, is wrapping and smoothing until all of the ends are completely down. If you need extra hairspray, use that and continue to wrap and smooth. If you have a blow dryer, that will help to set it a little faster. I did not take out my blow dryer, to be honest, so we're just going to let this air dry a little bit. But as you can see, it will stick with the hairspray. Okay. Okay, take your ponytail, take your brush your hair out. With the bun, it left it like a little hump so it could give it body, give it more of like a round bump type fullness. Brush it. Full coverage. I personally added extra hair on the strap for this type of purpose, for extra fullness, for extra coverage. And here you will have your ponytail attachment. I make all of my attachments this way so that they're easy and accessible. I have them in different lengths, I have them in different styles. And eventually I will have them in a bigger net. That way those who have more hair can either tuck it a little bit more away, or they can leave it out as you saw in a regular ponytail. So hopefully that helps you have a better understanding of DP Nails It ponytail attachments. I've shown you how to apply it. You can put a little bit of sheen if you want to. As you can see, it's naturally shiny because I do wash them. I clarify wash them, and then I condition them. I do condition them, and it leaves it smooth. It leaves it smelling really, really good, and it leaves it with a natural shine. So at this point, you don't need to do anything more, but it is your preference. You can do what you want because it's yours. So once again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining DP Nails It. Shop dpnailsit.com, and the line will be dropping soon for February. I'm trying to get everything situated for Valentine's Day. Hey, so when you're dressing up, getting ready, looking pretty, you got your unique customized ponytail attachments, because I will be coming out with different designs that are not on the market. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye, Artistic Bestie.